What's up, Fun Rams? Today I have this super cool truck and I'm gonna open it with you. It's here and I opened 3 batteries so far. Let's open it and see how much batteries we need to put in. Okay, now let's get this out. Okay, now I got it open. So it comes with a controller, a remote, and a van. Yeah, a van. And now I've opened it. There's a screwdriver. Oh, we have the extra needle, whatever that is. Okay, I got the remote out, and now I'm gonna get this out, the car. Okay. Now we need the batteries, and it's ready to go. I don't know how to get it out. Huh?
Right.
Okay, now I opened it. We need 3 batteries, which I got right here. Good thing that I already opened it, so then I don't have to get it because it's tough. Okay. Now, we need to put the batteries in the remote. In here, we need 2 batteries. So, let's get 2 batteries. Guys, this is the only one we have. Okay, now let's put it in. And in total, we put 5 batteries. I'm gonna be honest. It's not that much. Okay. Now I got it done. Let's go test it out. Come on. Now that I put the batteries in, I'm going to test it and see how fast it is. 3, 2, 1. My brother even bought it yesterday, so now we're gonna do a competition and have a race. So, okay. Now, 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Got you. Okay. Okay, we started like a new competition of a race again, and this time it's gonna be epic because okay, we started a new competition of a race now, and this time it's gonna be epic because you have to put it in the box and drive in the box. Look, let me show you how it's gonna be. Okay, now the truck is gonna start from here and go down and more down and into this box. So let's start the race now.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! No! No, yes! I win!
There you go.
No, but you're behind me, so you came after me. So I win. Okay, let's do another round. A new track. Now I set up a new track, and it's me now. Only me. So it's here. We go. We start from there and then come down, and I could either go in here or in there. I'm gonna go in here since it's epic because it has to go up. And I'm not sure about that because you can only go on the ground. What if it pushes it? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Okay, so I hit. Okay. Get out from there. Come on. Okay, I'm going to try to go in the box. Got it. Now let's go. I told you that's why. Okay, I'm going to bend this a little bit, and I'm going to show you at the end. Now we set it up, and now I plan to fluff it. Let's start the race. Whoa! I win. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a cool trick.
स्मूथ नहीं आ रहा.
Now my dad's gonna try a new trick. The car's there. Whoa! Okay. I never knew it could drive on the carpet. Hashim, move your feet. Okay, now me versus my dad, and that's the goal where the camera is. Now, get ready and set, go! Come on. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, I said to the camera. No. No. Yes. again. This time we're gonna battle. 3, 2, 1. I'm ready. Whoa. How did I go over you? Okay, let's go. Oh. Come on, pop me over. From there. Now, do it. Help! Help! Come on. Wait, I know where from. Yes! If you help someone, then that means 1 point. But if someone touches you, then it's a point. I'm gonna get you. No! Ha. There I go. Oh my god. So now this is epic. Got you. I get a point. Got you. If you get a 2 in a row, then the second point doesn't count. Where'd I go? Okay guys, now I'm gonna end this video from here. Make sure you subscribe and press the like button and do thumbs up. And we all want to say something. Bye bye,
Fun fam.